In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Snap Windows on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in multitasking. Should be the best result, multitasking settings. Open that up on your HP device. And at the top right where it says Snap Windows to automatically resize and arrange them into layouts. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.